Hey girl, come here. Hey you, right there. Who, me? Yes, you girl. What's your name? Oh, my name's Tasha. Oh, my name AJ. Can I meet you? Yeah, why not? Do you have a number or anything that I can get in touch with you? Sure. Do you have a pencil or paper? Nah, but you can tell me, I'll remember. Alright. Well, you can hit me up at Tasha Start 57 on Snapchat, alright? Alright, girl, I'll hit you up. Alright. So I'll see you sometimes in class, right? Yes, you will, honey. Alright, sweetheart, I'll see you tomorrow. Hit me up. Hey, yo, what's up? What you been up to, girl? Not much, TJ. What you been up to, boy? Girl, I ain't been up to nothing. I been just chilling in the house all day. Oh, yeah? So you still ain't got a girlfriend, boy? Well, I been talking to one, but what you been up to? I ain't been up to nothing, but trying to get some lunch right now. Oh, yeah? Well, hold on. Who you talking to, boy? You better not be trying to cheat on me. No, this just my cousin. This my cousin, Nisha. Hey, Nisha, this is Tasha. This my new, girl I've been talking to. Well, start talking to. But, well, I'll see you tomorrow, Nisha. Bye. So you did come to school, babe, didn't you? Yes. I wasn't gonna come at first. Oh, well, I'm glad you came because I was missing you. I thought you weren't gonna be here. Oh, no, I was gonna be here because you was here. I love you. Yeah, I love you too, girl. Can I get a hug? No. Yes. Oh, and a kiss too?